So first thing you want to do is just to take your tire off on the right side, so you can take off your sprocket and your chain. So after you took your tire off, just put the nuts somewhere you can find them again. And then just, screw the chain guard off. So the next step is just to get your sprocket out, I have a special holder so my chain doesn't fall off my sprocket, and if you don't have that it will be much easier. So it's just 3 screws, and I have 6, and just screw it off so you can get your sprocket out. So after you unscrewed everything, just take your sprocket out and have a look at it. And that was pretty good. So I'm still using it. And then do the same with the chain. So next up we have the exhaust. First thing you want to do is take the springs off the engine, and then take the springs off the exhaust. After you took the springs off, just make sure you're taking the sensor off too. It's a bit hard to get it out because it's pretty hot inside of the exhaust, but after a while you will get it out. Next up we have the gas cable on the carburetor. So you press the spring down and the top part, so the head of the cable can pop out of the hole, and then you just need to slide it to the left, and that's how you get it out. You will see in the next photo that there is a hole on top. After you did that, screw the screw on the back of the filter off and pop the filter off. After you did that, take off the electronics beneath the carburetor, and then the last step is to take the fuel hose off. After you took out every cable, screw open the connection between the radiator and the water pump. A little trick you can use is just to screw open the cap on top of the radiator so the water comes out better. After the water is out, screw the connection back onto the radiator and also loosen the two connections on the engine so you can later take off the engine. After that, you need to loosen your RPM cable, and I have it on there with some tape, so it's a bit hard to get it off, but after a while you will make it. So the last step is really to just screw the engine holders from the engine away so you can take it off.